Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today on today's try on a vintage haul video. I just wanted to quickly jump on here with this short little intro, not a word, intro. And say thank you so much for watching, subscribing if you have done. If you haven't done, make sure you do, because there's lots of good stuff coming your way soon. And also I wanted to say I'm sorry for being a little bit missing in action recently on here. I am back to my schedule of doing it every Thursday and Sunday. So Thursday is a different sort of video every week, whichever you decide. I like to do lots of votes and polls on my Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me on there, which is Exotic Vintage, and you want to have a bit more control of what videos you see, make sure you go and give me a follow. And Sunday it is a live in the vintage dealer again, isn't it? So it's like a weekly recap, update, whichever you prefer, of everything I've been doing in the week as a vintage dealer. So pretty self-explanatory, but you know, I do like to talk, don't I? So there we go. So without further ado, let's show you today's newest video, a huge vintage try-on haul. Thank you so much, and guess what? Happy May!